Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to easily display important emails in the label list on Gmail on your PC, thanks to a recent update. Let's get started. The first step is to open up gmail.com on your web browser. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look at the top bar and locate the gear icon. Click on it to access the settings menu. Next, click on See All Settings to open up the full settings page. Here, you'll see a variety of options for customizing your Gmail experience. Scroll down until you see the Labels section. Click on it to expand the options related to labels and categories. Within the Labels section, you'll find a list of categories such as Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. Look for the Important category and click on Show to ensure that important emails are displayed in your label list. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily show important emails in the label list on Gmail on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.